Opportunities like this present only once in a while. My name is Peggy Cook from the Wayne Skillster team of RE/MAX Escarpment. I'm excited to welcome you to 243 West Street here in my hometown of Smithville. Let's take the tour. Situated on an impressive in-town lot measuring approximately 95 by 333 feet, this 3-bedroom bungalow is bursting with potential and ready for your vision. With a touch of love and a spark of creativity and some sweat equity, this property is your chance to design your ideal indoor living space. If you love the outdoors, look no further. The expansive backyard is ready to be transformed into your own private oasis. Perhaps a flower garden, a vegetable garden, maybe even a pool. There's lots of room for all of these things. The location of this home is just steps from the community center, library, skate park, and children's splash pad. This property is loaded with potential and is waiting for you. If you would like more information or would like to book a private viewing, call or text me at 289-339-3751.